Today our topic is prefixes and suffixes. What is a prefix? Pre means before, a group of letters which comes before or placed in front of a word and change the meaning by forming a new word is a prefix. For example, happy is a word. If we use un, the prefix, the word will become unhappy. Now, un is used before it, so a new word is formed with a different meaning not happy. Here, prefix is un and the root word is happy, and by adding the prefix before the word, it becomes unhappy, another word with a different meaning. We have different prefixes and we have different meanings. Prefix un means not, anti means against, co means together, dis means not, mis means incorrect, pre means before, re means again, sub means under, trans means across, over means too much, and de means to remove. Let's make some words using prefixes. The first prefix is un. That means not. Unhappy, unwell, untidy, untold, uncover, unplug, unlucky. Dis also means not. Disable, dislike, displaced, disorder, disrespect, disallow, disapproved. Re means again. Replay, revisit, rebuild, rewrite, retrain. Miss means incorrect or wrong, misfit, mislead, misplaced, misbehaved, misunderstanding, miscounted. Over means too much, overcook, overreact, overdress, overheat. De means to remove, and it is also used as an opposite. Devalue, decode, decrease, decouple. Co means together or with. Co-worker, coexist, co-pilot. Pre means before. Prehistoric, predicted, predetermined. Sub means under, submarine, submerge, subordinate, subset, subclass. What is a suffix? A group of letters or a letter placed behind or after a word. This changes its meaning and forms a new word. Now, care, it is a root word. If we add full, the suffix, to it, a new word is formed, that is careful. The root word care is a noun, but after adding the suffix full, it has become an adjective, the quality of the noun, that is careful. Let's make some words using suffixes. Suffix full means full of, careful, powerful, painful, truthful, respectful, helpful, harmful. Then less means without, useless, fearless, countless, roofless, homeless, fruitless. Then hood, state, condition or quality, childhood, neighborhood, likelihood. Then like, it means similar to, childlike, businesslike, a cabbage-like. Wise, in the direction of, clockwise, streetwise, lengthwise, row-wise or anti-clockwise. Some, characterized by or of, wholesome, awesome, troublesome, toothsome, handsome. Able to be, washable, lovable, preventable, acceptable. Ship, state of being, friendship, leadership, citizenship. Age, collection of nouns, baggage, stone age, ice age. Ware, things, kitchenware, hardware, software. The suffix ly or ly, it shows how or how much. Friendly, weekly, closely. ER, doer or someone who do. Teacher, baker, dancer, worker. OUS. It also means full of, courageous, poisonous, joyous. NESS, ness, state or quality, darkness, coldness, wilderness. ITY. It also refers to state, ability, responsibility. MENT, meant, an action or a result, accomplishment, measurement, achievement. Hope you have understood the concept of prefix and suffix, and you will be able to use them in your exams and to do your homework. Thank you.